Hey, what's up guys? Alright, so today we're going to be doing some viscosity testing. So I have three solutions here. I have olive oil, dish soap, and some shampoo. Just some household things. So I did the experiment multiple times with different drop specimens. So we're basically going to be dropping the specimen into the glass of the solution and seeing about how long it takes to reach the bottom. So this is not a way to quantify viscosity since there's no numerical data association with this. This is just to compare the relative viscosity visually between the three solutions. So I have a couple specimens I tested out. I have these plastic clips, which I'll be using for the comparison test. And I also have this skateboard bushing, ye old trusty 10mm socket, and looks like a random assorted exhaust nut, flanged nut. So I did weigh them on a scale here. So this weighs about like 1 gram. These weigh 8, the flanged nut and the bushing. So same weight but different volume. And the 10mm socket is way over 50 grams, so it's just much heavier. Pretty much is the heaviest object here. Alright, so let's start testing and see what happens here. Not bad, not bad. Oh, the skewer got in the way a little bit, but it moved pretty fast. Here, let's see how it compares. Pretty slow, huh? Alright, so you get the idea. And then for the shampoo, yeah, really slow. Really slow. In fact, it was actually really hard to find a object that would compare nicely, even in this, even though this plastic thing moves slow, the heaviest object flies right through it pretty fast, but it just drops through all of the other ones, so the plastic is the only really comparable object. And for the skateboard bushing, this object I put in actually like half hour ago, took forever to fall down. So it looks like the magnitude of viscosity is very different amongst these three fluids. Olive oil being the lowest viscosity, dish soap being in the middle, and the shampoo being the most viscous. So when I was testing the nuts here, the volume of this, even though the weights are the same, the volume of the skateboard bushing made a huge impact on how much fluid it could displace, making it fall slower than the nut. So just another interesting observation. Alright, well, thank you for watching my little tutorial video on viscosity. Take care.